So this is my Arty A7 board. We are using this USB cable, micro USB cable, to program it. Okay, so now my Arty A7 has been programmed. So before proceeding and checking the logics are working properly or not, we need to see that this jumper here is not shorting the two pins. Okay, so it has to be in like this position. If this jumper is shorting these two pins, then remove it, okay, like this, and fix this jumper on one of the position, okay, in one of the pins. Now you can see here are the 4 switches, and out of those 4 switches, 2 switches we have set in the constraint files, okay, switch 0 and switch 1. So at the starting you can see these 2 switches, 1 and 2, that is A and B, okay, they are both at low position, they are both at 0. So when these 2 switches A and B are 0, then the output C here, LED, you can see it's not blinking. So 0 0 AND gate, it's 0. So now let's pull one of the switch up. So now let's make it 0 1. Again 0 1, no output. LED here is not blinking. Now let's make it 1 0. So make it this one 1 and this one 0. Again there is no output. Now the last condition is we'll set both these switches to be 1 1. So 1 1. So now you can see at 1 1 you can see the output is coming out. But in other positions, that is 0 0 0 0, nothing is happening. 1 0, nothing is happening. 0 1, nothing is happening. But at 1 1 you can see that the AND logic is working. So this is my experiment with the logic gates. Thank you.